Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable the background error checking in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then you want to go down and select Options at the bottom of this list. Select the Formulas tab on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go down to Enable Background Error Checking. If you want to turn that on or off, you just would check mark or uncheck that box respectively. And you would select OK once you wanted to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.